За бэлэн босноо та маань хөгжмөн.
За үзэгчтэй зориулаад Adele Someone Like You сайн мэдэх бах те.
Монголчууд маш сайн мэднэ. Ер нь дэлхийд даяар маш сайн хит болсон байгаа шүү дээ.
Sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries, all cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said it. Sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. And sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah, yeah.
와, 자, 맛있다.